I'm Jeff Reitzel.
I'm Kevin Reitzel.
And I'm Jim, and we sell cottages.
Today we're showcasing cottage number 462. This one's extra special and I can't wait to get you inside.
And this is one of 398 cottages at Conestogo Lake.
And people will do the cottage things that they do at this open floor plan, and it's been renovated.
And this new kitchen, appliances are included, and of course, at no extra charge, the great lake views.
And here's an added feature, your laundry is built into your 4-piece bath. At Conestogo Lake, the floor plans are as unique as the personalities that live here. In this example, the lodgings are on the 2nd floor.
Head on up and I'll show you around. Here's the first of 3 bedrooms. Oh yeah, those lake views. As far as cottage bathrooms go, most of them don't look like this. Here's bedroom 2 and the primary, and you guessed it, that primary has amazing views of the lake. And now, the reason you're here. Let's head to the lake.
Kevin couldn't have said it any better. This is all about cottage life. The covered porch here, the deck, and just past the fire pit.
We have 100 feet of shoreline, and that 2-year-old dock is just as good as new.
Don't worry guys, we'll get to those marshmallows in a second. For now, let's have a look from a drone up above. To begin your search for cottages, visit ConestogoLake.com or follow the yellow chairs.
They're everywhere, and we sell cottages.